Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Toyota Supra. First, settle into the driver's seat and adjust it for optimal comfort and visibility. Locate the ignition button, typically on the right side of the steering column. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, press the start button to awaken the powerful engine. Then, select your desired gear, either drive for automatic or first for manual, and you are ready to begin your journey. To truly master your Supra, focus on smooth inputs. When accelerating, apply the throttle progressively to manage the engine's significant power. For braking, use a firm, steady pressure, gradually increasing it as needed to bring the car to a controlled stop. When approaching a corner, brake before entering the turn, then gently apply power as you exit, allowing the car to pull itself through. This technique helps maintain balance and speed. Safety and maintenance are paramount for your Supra. Before each drive, quickly check your tires and surroundings. Ensure tire pressures are at the manufacturer's recommended level, often around 32 pounds per square inch, for best performance and safety. Regularly inspect fluid levels, such as engine oil and brake fluid, to prevent potential issues. Following the recommended service intervals will keep your Supra running smoothly for many years to come. To fully enjoy your Supra, explore its various driving modes, like Sport, which sharpens throttle response and steering. Take it on scenic, winding roads to truly experience its exceptional balance and precise handling. Remember to always drive responsibly and adhere to all traffic laws, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience for everyone. Connecting with other Supra owners can also enhance your appreciation for this iconic sports car.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.